We will do another vlog. For this time we will make it a little bit English, Baroque English, bara English, English kamote, English kangkong, yung English na ano, basta English mga kapatid yung try natin. So ito, pauwi na tayo, mag-update tayo sa ginawa natin at yung mga plano para sa mga susunod na araw. At may bago dito sa ating i-share sa ating video. Gusto mong malaman? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Welcome to the GPC Rooster Show, where the coffee's hot and the stories flow. Wake up, laugh up, let that sunshine grow.
So here we goes, my friend. This is what I do. This is what I target, and this is what I aim here to come and place forest is to get this bamboo tree, my friend. I used to get this one by one and then chop it all by the size that I want from my rooster size, my friend, rooster's house size. So I will as you can see, it's really hard, it's really tough to get this bamboo tree. This is what I do for my chicken rooster houses, my friend. So little by little, as I ask him if he have time, he can cut it off for me, and then if my friend Fernan have time, he can cut this bamboo tree, and I will, when I come back, I will chop it and fix it by the size that I want for me to to make a rooster houses. All my all of my rooster houses, bamboos comes from here, from this my friend. So we're planning to to catch fish at night. We will try to I will just ask permission to my wife to ask if is there possible for me to go and find at night. If my wife give me permission to do so, we will be having a next video all about night catching fish, fish adventure at night. So for now, as you can see, doing my thing here for my roosters. I had to sacrifice to get this bamboos for me to have plenty of materials to build a rooster houses, a better rooster houses. The more you have rooster houses in your backyard, the more your roosters will be more safer, my friend. My roosters are game fowls. They are need to have DIY special rooster house, the strong one, for them to be more safe, my friend. I need to put them in there. In the morning, I used to cord them outside for them to exercise and develop, and will develop their balances, and then at night I used to bring it back to the rooster houses. So the better you have more rooster houses, the more you are capable of having breeding or raising healthy roosters, my friend. Healthy, safe roosters, and my roosters are not those kind of they are not really free range roosters. And in the morning, I will just bring them outside on cords, let them exercise, and in the afternoon, before going sleep, after feeding in the afternoon, I will bring them inside. Some of my roosters are really designed to be outside, depending on their behavior, my friend. Some are not. It always depends on their character and behavior and traits that they're showing. Once they are showing a very aggressiveness, they need to be properly separated in the rooster houses. Very aggressive roosters, if they turn to loose, they will snap every other roosters, my friend. That gives me a lot of losses, my friend. A lot of losses because money by curing them, and then the sad part is that when we get lost by those the unsafe cording methods that we have. So I always wanted to have roosters that are safe. That's why I got a lot of I aim this kind of bamboo to build safer roosters, because some of my roosters are used to need they are really need to be safe in properly separated in the rooster houses. So I need to build more and more. So by the next video, I think I can share again. You need to watch me to make some how I do the adventure in fishing at night. It would be so cool for me because I always wanted to do that for myself. I'm sorry, my friend, for my bad English, and let's go. Afternoon, my friend. I check the time. It's 4 p.m. here. I need to go back to my house for about, it's gonna be 20 minutes. I need to walk for about 15 minutes, and then maybe 10 minutes again. We're going home because we need to feed our roosters, my friend. So the things that I was going to share to you is about adventure for the next vlog. Maybe if we get lucky, we're gonna have a vlog about fishing adventure, my friend. We will try to walk here at night, go for look. We will look for you know, we will look for fish. See, there's so many fish there. At night, they're sleeping. We're gonna bring a net, and then we will throw a net, and then catch it, and we will gonna have no, it's my wife's favorite, fried tilapia, fried fish, this one. You see that one? I don't wanna. They are now looking for their spot for sleeping because it's kind of a little dim now. The sun is going to set, and then my friend said he can come with me, or he can go with me, because I give them idea, why don't we try adventure fishing at night. We will do vlogging about how fishing adventure at night here in the river goes. So many fish, my friend. So maybe next vlog, my friend, I will try to show or share my videos and experiences about fishing adventure. We will try to fish here. Maybe later or by the next video, my friend, I will show a fishing adventure. So it depends upon if it works. So I will go home, I will feed my roosters, and I will ask permission to my wife if I can go at night here, and with my friends Fernan, to fish, to catch fish at night. So I have their flashlight, bright flashlight, and he has their a net, a circle net. So I don't think it will be good, my friend. So I will try to update that maybe on the next video if things goes right, my friend. If my wife says okay, and I will make sure I will bring him fish, my friend. The salt fish, or no, not the salt fish, the lake fish, my friend. We call it here tilapia. Some are dalag, some are iit, kasili, mga ganon. So for this time, come with me. I will share something in while we're going home. So I need to get Harry, my friend. So for this time, I do not ask some wild vegetables. I used to get cacao fruits, taro leaves, gabi. We call it here gabi. There's a types of gabi there, and the Palawan gabi, the natural gabi. Used to get that. Tapos yung ugbos lubi-lubi, or the sprouted wild vegetables. There's so many wild vegetables because this one, my friend. There's no people that can access that. So it still have so many wild animals, my friend. It's still so many wild animals. So this one, see the one. They plant kangkong vegetables too when the weather is good, for like about a week or a month or something like that. They used to plant it. So when the heavy rain comes, especially during the typhoon, they need to harvest it early, because the big water from the mountains used to get centralized flow here. So it will be wiped out, my friend. So I can see sometimes when I also update my friend whenever there's a typhoon and I came here, because I'm gonna check him or I'm gonna ask vegetables. I used to witness how these vegetables, my friend, get wiped out due to heavy rainfalls, my friend. So Philippines, there's a lot of typhoon coming here during rain. This one is so wild, but they ate. I saw a vlogger who ate this one, palupino. Kinakain pala talaga. Tastes good, my friend. Palipino. So come with me. I will just gonna go walking while my bike is still there. We have no vegetable that he want to, my friend want to give me vegetables, but I said no. You know, when I get feeling of shyness, I don't wanna ask. So let's go. So monitoring time, my friend. Monitoring time after feeding in the afternoon. So after this, I will ask my wife if he will allow me to go at night fish adventure, catching fish for tomorrow's. If we catch more, we can have ulam-ulam ba? Yung we can have fish meal and tomorrow, my friend. So I always do this, monitoring my rooster after feeding. These are roosters that are a highly aggressive one. So this area that I'm showing you is the cording area that I am talking about. This is where I put my roosters that are a very high ratio of aggressiveness. Roosters have stages of behavior, my friend. They are differentiated by ages. The 10 months old is always gonna have aggressive behavior. Away difference with the year old or 2 years old, my friend. When they are reaching like this 8 months, my friend, they are developing a very aggressive one. So this cording area is where I put them, because this area is where I develop them to be well behaved, my friend. I give them the space, I give them their own space, their own property, my friend, for them to develop. I used to develop them and to be more well behaved. There are sometimes wild, my friend. It always depends on their ages and behavior. If they are turns to be wild, I put them in the cording. I put them here in the cording area, and after they get well behaved, I gonna pick another one that is a high aggressive, and then I switch it here. So this area is my developing area for their aggressive behavior, my friend. So this one, you see. So thank you all, guys, for always watching, and see you in the next vlog. I think I will do the night catching of fish, night adventure, fishing adventure with my friend Fernan Mix Vlog, my friend. So thank you, and then hopefully, my friend, you're always in a good health, and thank you again for always supporting my videos. I mix my videos. Whatever that I am comfortable with my videos, I always show them. Although it's hard to speak English, I'm gonna try my best, my friend, just to connect to them, just to gain more friends. The purpose of this is to express myself.
Live and breathe with peace in your eyes. GP sees it for the rest of their lives.